Hello, I will show you how to use the Brand Activity Planner 2022. Now, if you just select your own name, I'm going to use Linda as example. You see the format is very similar to the planner where you have all the dates downwards and you have all the your projects and events this way. This is so that you can actually pull through your own rota. So if, for example, if you got two rotas on your planner, just select the correct one. Mo got a new one, and then she also got a different one. Just select the one that is most accurate, and then you can actually start to decide what you wanted to record in these five columns. Let's just say I want to call this beauty. Make sure that you keep your name at the front, because that is how I can make sure that all the details are linked correctly. And so when you actually entered a Chanel, when you actually put down the word Chanel, this is not, the data has not been collected here, but however, to make the activity to be collected, you can actually put dash, yeah, the dash in. So let's just say you have a meeting with them at 1 p.m. I don't know. You can actually see that this has been collected. So I just put down maybe around 2 p.m. let's say, and you can see because I put a dash in, the word ground has been collected, while the text that is behind it is not being collected. Once it is actually in this column, it will be pulled through to the daily. So if you actually look here, under your column, on this day, this is what you're going to be doing for this day. And so on the daily tab, you can see what other people are doing collectively. And then on the weeks tab, it will you can actually see all the unique things that you get up to in that particular week. And on the weekly tab, you can actually open up the plus here for you to see the different activity that is happening in that week. I've collected this from the VM, and I've collected this from another file I've been given. And so you see, for Linda, you have got beauty here. So if you go back to Linda, you can actually go to this column and select beauty. See? And so you decide to choose to see what is happening on beauty. Nothing is happening until later on. So it looks like it's not working, but it is working. So I'm just going to undo this. Now, if you actually press the plus, you can see, okay, I have to go into the second video. See you later. Bye. Hi, so this is the second video. The shame on me, I spelled Chanel wrong. Oh my goodness, when I looked back at the playback, oh my gosh, I was so ashamed. Here, open it up and you see that you have opportunity to input the cells for whatever project you are working on. And then you can actually put down the footfall. Sales here, footfall here. So as an example, I've made preparation already. So 1, 2, 3. Well, there's more at the back. What I wanted to do is to show you. Now you can see that I've typed in some nonsense here. So let's just say I just go like this and press delete. If I were to do that, I also deleted what I've typed in before. you see, I actually went and stopped here. So this wasn't deleted. So all I wanted to say is, if you actually wanted to delete some nonsense that you've written, delete this way. Press the delete like that. Otherwise, you'd be deleting some of the things that you have hidden. Yeah. Hmm. But of course, you can actually adjust what you type into here just to refine it. So I'm just going to go to Stephen as an example, because Stephen's one, it will automatically pull through what he typed in from the last from the other file. But however, if you feel that you want to refine what you write here or here, you can actually just go ahead and Control C, con- Control Shift V, value only. Okay, Control C, Control Shift V. Okay, so this will become a text, and then you can just get rid of the double dawn. Yeah, and you can see, like for example here, Control C, Control Shift V. You just wanted to put down one thing. See? So you can actually overwrite this so that you can refine what you say, but I'm just going to copy and paste back the formula into here. It will actually try and make everything more unique here from all of this, really. I hope it's going to be useful for you. I mean, and I can actually eventually I will see what type of project you put on here, and then I'll come up with another tab which I can sum up weekly what you have inputted, and I can generate more information that way. If you actually look at the front tab here, the title tabs, here I will paste the different video which will be helpful for you. Anyway, I'll see you sometime. Thank you very much. Goodbye.